unveiling Gozo, the Mediterranean's best-kept secret. It whispers tales of ancient mariners and sun-kissed shores. Many of its islands are famous, drawing crowds year after year. Think of Ibiza, Santorini, or perhaps Sicily. But sometimes the greatest treasures are those that are a little harder to find. The ones that have kept their soul, their quiet magic. This time, I believe we've found a truly special one. Just a short hop from its more famous neighbor Malta lies a secret. An island often overlooked, yet brimming with charm. This is Gozo. For those in the know, Gozo is the Mediterranean's best-kept secret. A place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly breathe. The moment you arrive in Gozo, you feel it. A distinct shift in atmosphere. The air seems clearer, the light softer. There's a palpable sense of tranquility that washes over you. It's a world away from the rush and roar of modern city life. Here, the pace is unhurried, dictated by the seasons and the sea. It's like stepping back in time, but in the best possible way. Life unfolds gently, with a quiet dignity. This feeling of peace is one of Gozo's most precious gifts. Beyond the charming villages and rich culture lies Gozo's wild heart. Its natural beauty is simply stunning. Much of it remains remarkably unspoiled. Prepare to be captivated by its dramatic coastlines. Towering cliffs plunge into turquoise waters. Hidden coves cradle small, sandy beaches. The sea is crystal clear, inviting you to explore. This raw, untamed beauty is Gozo's magic, a reminder of nature's power and artistry. As you explore, your senses come alive. The air is fragrant with wild thyme and fennel, especially after a refreshing rain shower. Listen to the gentle lapping of waves, or the chirping of cicadas in the summer heat. The colors are vibrant too. The deep blue sea, the ochre cliffs, the lush green valleys, especially in spring. A landscape that soothes the soul and ignites the imagination. It truly feels like an escape from the ordinary. The first encounter with Gozo's coastline is often unforgettable. It's not just a gentle meeting of land and water. Here, it's a dramatic statement. Raw, untamed, and incredibly beautiful. You'll find a surprising variety packed into this small island. Towering cliffs stand defiant against the waves. Hidden coves whisper secrets to the sea. This coastline immediately grabs your attention. You can almost taste the salt in the air, hear the ancient rhythm of the ocean. Whispers of time Gozo's charming villages. Stepping into a Gozitan village truly feels like taking a step back in time. There's an immediate sense of calm, a slowing of the pulse. Life here unfolds at an unhurried, gentle pace. The architecture is dominated by beautiful, honey-colored limestone, buildings that seem to soak up the Mediterranean sun and glow warmly. Narrow, winding streets meander through the village, inviting you to explore. You won't find much in the way of loud commercialism here. Instead, there's an air of authenticity that's becoming increasingly precious. These villages are the quiet, beating hearts of the island, each with its own distinct character. The verdant heart, Gozo's serene countryside. Venture inland from Gozo's dramatic coastline and its historic villages. You'll discover a surprisingly green and fertile interior. This is the island's verdant heart. Rolling hills give way to sheltered valleys. The landscape is a charming patchwork of small, cultivated fields. Often these fields are painstakingly terraced into the hillsides, a testament to generations of agricultural effort. Characteristic rubble walls built from local stone crisscross the countryside, dividing plots of land and adding to the rustic beauty. The colors here change beautifully with the seasons. A canvas of light and color, Gozo's picturesque scenery. Gozo is without a doubt an artist's dream, a photographer's paradise. The quality of the light here is exceptional. That famous Mediterranean light, clear and bright, it interacts with the landscape in magical ways throughout the day. Consider the golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset. It bathes the island in a soft, warm glow, transforming ordinary scenes into masterpieces. The colors are incredibly vibrant. The deep, intense blue of the sea contrasts with the azure sky. The warm ochre of the limestone buildings and the fresh green of the fields complete the palette. Echoes of antiquity, the megalithic marvels. Gozo isn't just a place of stunning natural beauty. It's an island steeped in history, a history that stretches back thousands of years. Long before the pyramids of Egypt were built, Long before Stonehenge rose on Salisbury Plain, people lived and worshipped here. They left behind incredible structures, whispers of their ancient world. These megalithic temples are some of the oldest freestanding stone buildings on Earth. Can you imagine that? Right here on this small Mediterranean island, it's truly mind-boggling to think about. This ancient heritage adds a profound depth to Gozo's already captivating character. The Citadel, a fortress through time. Rising majestically above Victoria, Gozo's capital is the Citadel, locally known as Il Castel. This impressive fortress is more than just an ancient structure. It's the historic heart of the island, a sentinel that has watched over Gozo for centuries. Its strategic position, on a prominent flat-topped hill, made it the perfect defensive stronghold. From its ramparts, you get commanding views across almost the entire island. This wasn't just a military outpost. For a long time, it was the center of Gozitan life, a place of refuge, of governance, and of community. It's an unmissable part of any visit. Medieval footprints and knights' tales. Beyond the ancient temples and the grand citadel, Gozo's landscape is dotted with other historical markers. These tell tales of its medieval past and the era of the Knights of St. John. After the Roman period, Gozo, like Malta, saw a succession of rulers. Each left their mark, contributing to the island's layered history. But it was perhaps the knights who had the most visible impact on its defensive architecture. They arrived in the Maltese Islands in 1530, and they quickly understood Gozo's strategic importance in the Mediterranean. Its position made it vulnerable, but also valuable. The knights embarked on a significant program of fortification, unveiling layers of history, a living legacy. Gozo's historical significance, then, is truly remarkable for such a small island. We've journeyed from the mists of prehistory with the awe-inspiring Gantia temples. We've explored the formidable citadel, a bastion of strength and refuge for centuries. And we've traced the medieval footprints and the legacy of the knights. Each era has left its indelible mark, creating a rich tapestry of human experience woven into the very fabric of the island. It's this depth of history, these multiple layers, that make Gozo so compelling. It's far more than just a sun-drenched holiday spot. These historical sites are not just dusty relics confined to museums. They are tangible connections to the past. Beneath the waves, Gozo's underwater paradise. Gozo isn't just beautiful on the surface. Its real magic extends deep beneath the waves. The waters surrounding this island are renowned throughout the Mediterranean. They are incredibly clear, offering fantastic visibility. This makes Gozo a top destination for scuba divers and snorkelers alike. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, there's an underwater world here waiting to mesmerize you. The sea here truly teems with life and fascinating geological formations. It's an invitation to explore a different dimension of Gozo's natural charm, a silent, vibrant realm. For scuba divers, Gozo is nothing short of legendary, exploring by land trails, treks, and adventures. Back on dry land, Gozo offers a different kind of adventure. Its compact size and varied terrain make it ideal for exploring on foot. Hiking and rambling are superb ways to connect with the island's natural beauty, to discover its hidden corners at your own pace. There's an extensive network of country paths and coastal trails. These routes wind through stunning scenery, from dramatic clifftops to peaceful, verdant valleys. Whether you fancy a gentle stroll or a more challenging trek, Gozo has something to suit every level of fitness. It's a chance to breathe the fresh air and soak in the tranquility. The coastal paths are particularly rewarding. Coastal cruises and hidden coves Gozo by boat. Seeing Gozo from the water offers an entirely new perspective, you know? It's a chance to truly appreciate the scale and drama of its coastline, and to discover those hidden gems that are inaccessible by land. Boat tours are a popular and highly recommended activity. There are various options available, from short trips around specific bays to full-day excursions circumnavigating the island. You can choose a larger, more comfortable vessel or a smaller, more intimate boat. Whatever your preference, a boat trip around Gozo is an experience you won't quickly forget. It allows you to see the island in all its majestic glory. These tours often take you into spectacular sea caves, which is just amazing. Sun, sand, and serenity, leisure and relaxation. Of course, a trip to a Mediterranean island like Gozo wouldn't be complete without some serious relaxation. And the island offers plenty of opportunities for just that. Its beaches are perhaps not as vast as some, but they have an intimate charm. Ramla Bay, with its distinctive red sand, is the largest and most popular. It's a wonderful spot for families, with shallow waters and facilities. But there are smaller, more secluded options too. San Blas Bay, a little harder to reach, offers a quieter experience. Or Hondok Irumian, popular with locals for its clear waters and views of Camino. Finding your perfect spot on the sand, or on a smooth, sun-warmed rock is easy. Then it's simply time to unwind. Gozitan Kitchen's secrets, traditional dishes, and unique flavors. Now let's talk about something truly close to my heart. The food. Gozitan cuisine is wonderfully rustic and brimming with Mediterranean character. It's shaped by the island's history, its fertile land, and the sparkling sea all around it. Fresh local ingredients are absolutely key here. You'll find subtle differences from Maltese cooking, a unique Gozitan twist. There's a real emphasis on seasonal eating, which always makes for the best flavors. This is honest food, born from the earth and the ocean, with recipes often passed lovingly down through generations. It's a taste of true island life. From farm to fork, Gozo's bountiful markets and fresh produce. To truly understand Gozo's food culture, you have to visit its local markets. These aren't just places to buy your groceries, they are vibrant social hubs. The air buzzes with energy, especially in the early mornings. It's where farmers and producers connect directly with the community. You'll see locals catching up, sharing news, and carefully selecting their produce. This is the real everyday Gozo, unfiltered and full of life. The colors of the fresh fruit and vegetables, the calls of the vendors, the scent of herbs and baked goods. It's a genuine feast for all your senses. The array of produce you'll find is a testament to Gozo's fertile soil. Depending on the season, the stalls will be laden with sun-ripened tomatoes, sweet melons, juicy figs, and bunches of grapes. Savoring Gozo top spots for authentic island dining. When it comes to dining out, Gozo offers a delightful range of experiences. You can find everything from simple, family-run trattorias serving hearty traditional fare, to more elegant restaurants offering contemporary takes on local cuisine. Whatever the style, the common thread is usually a commitment to fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The atmosphere in Gozitan eateries is generally warm and welcoming. It's not just about what's on your plate, but the entire convivial experience. You're sure to find plenty of places that truly capture the island's charming character and culinary spirit. For a truly memorable meal, consider dining at a seaside restaurant. Places like Islendi Bay or Marsalforn offer stunning views to accompany your food. Imagine tucking into a plate of perfectly grilled fresh fish, caught just hours before, with the gentle sound of waves in the background. Gozo, an unforgettable tapestry of experiences. So our journey through Gozo is drawing to a close. We've seen what makes this island so utterly captivating. It's not just one single thing, is it? It's the beautiful way everything comes together. The stunning natural landscapes, the echoes of ancient history, the vibrant living culture, and of course, that delicious, honest food. Gozo offers a complete experience, a rich tapestry woven from so many different threads. It's a place that genuinely touches your soul, creating memories that linger long after you've departed its shores. This island is a truly immersive destination. Your Gozitan adventure awaits. What truly makes Gozo stand out in the vast Mediterranean? I believe it's her authenticity. In a world where so many places feel the same, Gozo has held on to its unique character. It's not trying to be anything other than itself. It's smaller, quieter, and perhaps a little more reserved than some of its neighbors. But therein lies its immense charm. This authenticity offers a genuine escape, a chance to experience a different rhythm of life. It's a quality that is becoming increasingly rare, and all the more precious for it. Gozo is real.